NASA's Perseverance rover recently captured an image of a peculiar rock formation on Mars that resembles a wide-brimmed hat. The rock, named Horniflya, is located in the Jezero crater and is notable not only for its shape but also for being composed primarily of spherules, which are small spherical structures. These spherules could provide clues about the planet's past, particularly its wet history, as the rover team searches for evidence of ancient microbial life. Captured by the rover's Mastcam-Z instrument on October 5, 2025, the rock displays a pointed peak and pitted nodular texture that evokes an image of armor forged centuries ago. On Earth, similar nodule textures can form through chemical weathering, mineral precipitation, or even volcanic processes. Perseverance found a similar rock in March 2025. Scientists think that in some rocks seen on Mars, these spherules form when groundwater passed through pores in sedimentary rocks. But they're not sure if all of them formed this way. Perseverance's science team will have its work cut out for it, analyzing more rocks to search for answers to this Martian geology mystery and other burning red planet questions. Perseverance's research is intended to pave the way for humans to reach Mars in the years ahead under NASA's Artemis program, which will begin with astronauts returning to the Moon to establish a base of operations. SpaceX founder and CEO Elon Musk has also expressed his vision of launching uncrewed trips to the Red Planet before humans reach it, perhaps as early as 2028. For now, the Hat Rock remains a compelling snapshot of Martian history. Features like this help scientists piece together the Red Planet's environmental history, showing how wind, water, and internal processes may have sculpted the landscape over billions of years.